ToBox has also received some improvements, and to show those in action, we'll just take this cube, press X and delete it. Shift A will bring in a plane, and I'll use the mirror tool, but I'll shift click bisect to turn it yellow, which means that when I bisect it, I actually cut it in half instead. And so we'll just add a screw on here, and here we are with our quick little solenoid. We'll just delete that edge, and here we go, we're ready to rock. So if I were to put a cube right here and do a slash, we can just quickly just do a slash in our little solenoid here. But now I can press QOT, and you can notice that now box is actually accurate to the shape that was being used with it. So I could also use it with this QOT and just quickly create a box that I can use in here to just quickly create a shape that I need in the right area that I need a QOT. And it's just something I just can't stop doing. So I hope that everyone is enjoying it. Of course, if you love ToBox, you'll also love under operations, there's ToPlane, which will bring up a plane. I do hope in the future to turn it into a modal where users will be able to choose from what axis you create your plane, and also to get the origin exactly on the plane. So this one is, of course, just a little preliminary idea on where I plan to go with the idea, but it's definitely there in case you need it, just like here. In the event you want to get in there and just quickly turn an area into a plane, QOT, just for quickly turning an area into a box, and I just can't get enough of it. So the QT gang has definitely been rubbing off on me, and my usage of using QOT is definitely a sign of that.